Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to Spaghetti Noobs.
You serious, man?
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. Today we are back in quarantine doing another smoking video, but this time we are using pre-cooked patties because we couldn't find a good selection of meat to either ground beef or the meat itself to grind. So we are going to try this method a third time with pre-made patties. Oh, it's set too high. We're doing the 325 method for 10 minutes on each side. So we preheated our smoker and we are going to put these in. Oh man. Please make sure you hit the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And at the same time, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you. With that being said, let's get on to the video. Alright. Alright, it'll heat back up. Alright, we are back. It's at 320, what? 21? Oh no! Alright, so we're gonna let those go for like 9 minutes and we're gonna put cheese on them. Cheese. Oh well. Okay.
I don't think so.
I lost vision. Fog of war. Wakanda. Alright. We done. Alright, we're back. This is like 2 sausages down and a burger down. Eating my second burger. So far, a pretty good pre-cooked patties. Definitely don't taste as smoky. I don't even think you see not even pre-cooked. I meant the pre-made patties. They're not pre-cooked. They're raw. But I don't even see a smoke ring. So they taste good. So they taste like high school burgers, and I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean they're really good. So they definitely have like that distinct pre-made flavor, even though they were raw. As you can see, there's no real smoke ring, and even in the other pictures, there's no smoke ring. Very little smoky flavor, and I'm not sure why, because they were raw. So still pretty good, but fresh meat is always better. Whether it's ground beef or taking a ball and grinding it ourselves. But still pretty good. Again, we kind of use the pellet grill, more like a grill instead of a smoker. In this case, there's no smoke ring. Rip, still good. Time to eat. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.